Hi friends, how are you? I'm Ranjit Sawant. I welcome you on my YouTube channel. Through this video series, I am discussing the subject English of Standard 8. I'm very thankful to you for watching my videos. Many of you have subscribed my channel. I'm very thankful to them. Before beginning today's session, I want to ask a familiar question to you. Are you ready with a pen and notebook? If you haven't taken pen and a notebook, please pause my video and take a notebook and a pen. There is no need to take textbook while watching my videos. नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, मी रणजित सावंत. तुमचं माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती स्वागत आहे. या यूट्यूबच्या व्हिडिओ सिरीजमधून मी तुम्हाला इंग्रजी विषय शिकवत आहे. टेक्स्टबुकचं पान नंबर 9 शिकवण्याला सुरुवात करण्यापूर्वी मला तुम्हाला एक प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे. तुम्ही एक पेन आणि वही घेऊन तयार आहात ना? ती जर घेतली नसेल, जर तुम्ही वही आणि पेन घेतला नसेल, तर तुम्ही माझा व्हिडिओ पॉज करा आणि वही आणि पेन घेऊन व्हिडिओ बघायला सुरुवात करा. टेक्स्टबुक घ्यायची काय गरज नाही, कारण सगळं टेक्स्ट मी स्क्रीनवरती डिस्प्ले करणार आहे. सो लेट्स बिगिन द 5th सेशन ऑफ द लेसन 1.2 एंड्रोक्लीज अँड द लायन. काही विद्यार्थी मित्र डायरेक्ट 5वा पार्ट पाहण्याची शक्यता आहे, ज्यांनी आधीचे पार्ट्स पाहिले नसतील. आय रिक्वेस्ट देम टू गो टू द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस व्हिडिओ अँड watch all the videos one after another. You should watch first part, then second part, then third and fourth part. Then you will understand today's session and you will learn this lesson very nicely. So let's begin today's session. Before beginning the final session of this video, I would like to summarize taught part. In the part number 3 and in the part number 4, I discussed page number 7 and 8 of your textbook respectively. So I'll summarize the taught part. In the beginning, we come to know about Androcles. He was a slave. He did not like his master because his master was so much cruel. He wanted to leave his master and he was in search of an opportunity. One day he got an opportunity and he ran away from his master. He took shelter in a forest. The forest was full of wild beasts. He did not have any kind of house or a hut to live in the forest. It was dangerous to live in the forest, even though Androcles was happy because he was free man. One day, while wandering in the forest, he came face to face with lion. Androcles was about to run, but he saw pain on the lion's face. And when he observed the lion carefully, he saw the lion's paw was wounded. So he went near the lion cautiously and removed the thorn very skillfully. Androcles treated the lion very nicely. Androcles hunted animals and shared his food with the lion. Wherever Androcles went in the forest, the lion followed him. One day, Androcles was wandering in the forest alone. Unfortunately, that day the lion was sleeping in the cave. Here in the city, Androcles' master complained to the authorities about Androcles. So soldiers were sent all around to search Androcles. Soldiers searched Androcles everywhere, but they did not find him. So finally they came to the forest and they captured Androcles and they captured the lion also. Both were brought into the city. That time, running away from the master was a serious crime, and the culprit used to be fed to wild animal. So Androcles was going to be fed to wild animal. इथपर्यंत आपण ही गोष्ट अभ्यासली. मी परत थोडक्यात ह्या अभ्यासलेल्या गोष्टीचा सारांश सांगतो. ही गोष्ट आहे अँड्रोक्लिस आणि सिंहाची. अँड्रोक्लिस हा एक गुलाम असतो आणि त्या काळी गुलामांना अत्यंत वाईट पद्धतीने वागवलं जायचं. अँड्रोक्लिसचा जो मालक होता तो अत्यंत क्रूर होता. अँड्रोक्लिसला त्याचा मालक अजिबात आवडत नव्हता, म्हणून तो तिथून पळून जायच्या विचारात होता आणि योग्य संधीच्या शोधात होता. त्याला ती संधी मिळाली आणि तो मालकाच्या तावडीतून निसटला. त्यानं एका जंगलात आसरा घेतला. त्या जंगलात रानटी श्वापत होती, परंतु अँड्रोक्लिसला त्याला मनाला वाटेल तिकडं जाता येत होतं, फिरता येत होतं, म्हणून तो आनंदी होता. एके दिवशी त्याचा आणि त्या सिंहाचा सामना होतो. अँड्रोक्लिस माघारी वळून पळून जाण्याच्या बेतात असतो. त्यावेळेसच त्याला असं दिसतं की तो सिंह कसल्या तरी वेदनेमध्ये आहे. नीट पाहिल्यावरती अँड्रोक्लिसच्या असं लक्षात येतं की त्या सिंहाचा पंजा जखमी झालेला आहे. त्या सिंहाच्या पंजात एक काटा रुतलेला आहे. अँड्रोक्लिस काळजीपूर्वक सावधपणे त्या सिंहाजवळ जातो आणि अत्यंत कौशल्यपूर्वक तो काटा त्याच्या पायातून बाहेर काढतो. नंतर अँड्रोक्लिस त्या सिंहासोबत बरेच दिवस राहतो. त्या दरम्यान तो त्या सिंहाची शुश्रूषा करतो आणि त्या सिंहाला अन्न आणून खायला देतो. दरम्यान इकडं अँड्रोक्लिसचा मालक तक्रार करतो की त्याचा गुलाम पळून गेलेला आहे. मग सैन्य त्याच्या शोधार्थ चौदिसांना जातात. शेवटी ते सैन्य अँड्रोक्लिस ज्या जंगलात राहत असतो त्या ठिकाणी ते येतात. दुर्दैवानं ते सैनिक त्या अँड्रोक्लिसला सुद्धा पकडतात आणि त्या सिंहाला सुद्धा पकडतात. त्या दिवशी अँड्रोक्लिस एकटाच जंगलात बाहेर पडलेला असतो आणि सिंह गुहेत आराम करत असतो. आता त्या काळी मालकापासून पळून जाणं हा एक गंभीर गुन्हा होता आणि अशा गुन्ह्याची सजा म्हणजे त्या गुलामाला एखाद्या रानटी श्वापदाला खायला घातलं जायचं. तर अँड्रोक्लिसला सुद्धा तीच शिक्षा मिळणार होती. तर इथपर्यंत आपण लेसन अभ्यासलेला आहे. सो लेट्स बिगिन द पेज नंबर 9 ऑफ द टेक्स्टबुक. लेट्स बिगिन पेज नंबर 9. On the appointed day, the emperor arrived at the circus and took his place. The crowds cheered loudly. The trumpeters blew the trumpet, and Androcles was brought into the arena. So they have decided to give punishment to Androcles. People gathered to see how he was punished, and trumpeters, they blew their trumpets and Androcles brought into the arena. Arena is a noun. It means a ground surrounded by seats, all sides for sport and other public events. You can say stadium. So Androcles was brought there. His chains were unbound. He felt weak and dismayed. Dismayed means sad. He was certain that this was the last day of his life. एका निश्चित केलेल्या दिवशी सम्राटाचं आगमन त्या सर्कसच्या ठिकाणी झालं आणि तो स्थानापन्न झाला. गर्दीनं मोठ्यानं जल्लोष केला. तुताऱ्यावाल्यांनी तुताऱ्या जोरात फुंकल्या. अँड्रोक्लिसला त्या मैदानात आणण्यात आलं. त्याला साखळदंडातून मुक्त करण्यात आलं. त्याला खूप अशक्त आणि दुःखी वाटत होतं. त्याला खात्री होती की हा त्याच्या आयुष्याचा शेवटचा दिवस होता. There is margin question. It is question number 7. What did Androcles feel after he was brought to the arena? I expect you to find out your answer and then check answer. Next paragraph. At the opposite end, a gate was raised and a ferocious lion was released into the arena. Ferocious is an adjective, it means wild and dangerous. So, from one gate, a lion was released, and the lion was very dangerous. It had been kept hungry to make it more ferocious. The lion was not given enough food to eat. The lion was hungry. So, it was obvious that the lion was going to attack Androcles. Androcles was filled with fear, but he put up a brave front. So Androcles was sure about his death. There was fear in his mind, but he did not show that he was afraid. Put up a brave front is a phrase. You please use this phrase and construct your own sentence. अँड्रॉक्लिसला त्या मैदानात आणल्यानंतर त्याच्या समोरच्या बाजूचं गेट उघडलं गेलं आणि त्यातून एक अत्यंत भयानक सिंह त्या मैदानात सोडला गेला. त्या सिंहाला खूप दिवस उपाशी ठेवलं होतं. त्यामुळे तो अत्यंत फिरोशियस, त्यामुळे तो अत्यंत भयानक झाला होता. त्यामुळे अत्यंत तो क्रुद्ध बनला होता. अँड्रोक्लिस भीतीनं घाबरून गेला होता, परंतु त्यानं ती भीती कोणाला दाखवली नाही. द लायन सॉ अँड्रोक्लिस अँड रश्ड टुवर्ड्स हिम, बाउंडिंग अँड रोअरिंग. हू वॉज हिज फूड? येस, it was Androcles. But suddenly it stopped in its tracks. Then it moved slowly forward. And the lion saw Androcles. So he stopped on the way. Then it moved slowly forward. The lion was gazing. All its rage seemed to have melted. His anger went somewhere. Androcles saw this too. Androcles did not understand that it was that lion which he had treated in the jungle. Each friend recognized the other. So the lion recognized Androcles and Androcles also recognized the lion. Next paragraph. To everyone's amazement, the lion bounded towards Androcles again. But when it reached him, it began to bark and rub its nose against him. All people were watching. They came to see Androcles' death. But they were astonished. The lion stopped. And again the lion started running. But this time, when the lion reached, he did not eat Androcles. He began to rub his nose against him. Androcles hugged the lion. He wept with relief and joy. Androcles started crying and he was happy. Question number 8. How did the hungry lion change when he saw his friend? While making ready your answer, please pause my video and check your answer with my answer. Yes, you may have got right answer. तर ह्या पॅराग्राफमध्ये आपल्याला असं कळालं की तो सिंह पळता पळता थांबला आणि त्यानं बघितलं नीट, तर त्याच्या लक्षात आलं की हा पुढं त्याच्या समोर असलेला माणूस दुसरा तिसरा कोणी नसून अँड्रॉक्लिसच आहे. नंतर परत तो धावू लागला अँड्रॉक्लिसकडं आणि ज्यावेळेस तो अँड्रॉक्लिसजवळ पोचला त्यावेळेस त्यानं अँड्रॉक्लिसवरती आपलं नाक घासलं. अँड्रोक्लिसनं त्या सिंहाला मिठी मारली, हक्केनं आणि आनंदानं रडू लागला. नेक्स्ट पॅराग्राफ. The audience, including the emperor, watched this tender sight in great wonder. Everyone was amazed. It was a wonderful scene. People began to cheer Androcles and ask for his release. So people demanded his release, and they began to cheer Androcles. The emperor asked Androcles to explain the lion's strange behavior. The emperor was also in fix. When he heard the whole story, the emperor was moved by is a phrase. So the story touched emperor's heart. He ordered that Androcles should be set free. He would no longer be a slave. So finally, emperor freed Androcles, and he also ordered that Androcles would not be a slave. Final paragraph. When the emperor asked Androcles what other reward he would like, Androcles replied that he did not want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. So, when he was asked about reward, Androcles asked freedom for the lion. The two friends went back to the forest to live a free life, and both returned to the forest. जेव्हा अँड्रोक्लिसला असं विचारलं की तुला आणखी काय बक्षीस हवंय, त्यावेळेस अँड्रोक्लिस असं म्हणाला की त्याला स्वतःला काही नको आहे, पण त्या सिंहाला तुम्ही मुक्त करा. आणि मग दोघंही, तो सिंह आणि अँड्रोक्लिस, जंगलात मुक्त जीवन जगण्यासाठी निघून गेले. द लास्ट मार्जिन क्वेश्चन. How did the emperor reward Androcles? Please make ready your answer. My answer is being displayed on the screen. Here the story ends. So through this story we understood the friendship between man and animal. It is very nice story. I'll make one more session, and in that session I'll tell the whole story in Marathi. One more session will be dedicated to language study, which is on page number 11. I request you to subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Please suggest my YouTube channel to your friends. Thank you.